Ever wondered how to make money in the stock market within a single day? That's intraday trading. Unlike long term investing, intraday means you buy and sell your stocks on the same day before the market closes. The biggest advantage is leverage. With just 1000 rupees, you can trade stocks worth rupees 5000, giving you the power to earn higher profits with less capital. You can even make profits when the market goes down through short selling, selling high first and buying back lower later in that day. But remember, high reward comes with high risk. Always use a stop loss to protect your capital. Ready to start? Let's dive in.